Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Singapore's financial watchdog passes back against Terra and three IAC associations. According to MAI's managing director, Terra from Labs, Luna Foundation Card and Float were not licensed or regulated by Singapore financial watchdog. Rafi Menon, the managing Director of the Monetary Authority of Singapore or MSA, said companies often labeled by the media in connection to the recent market volatility as Singapore-based were not representative of the country's approach to crypto regulation. In a speech on the MAS annual report on Thursday, Menon said crypto-related companies including Terraform Labs and 3Arrow Capital or 3HC had little to do with crypto regulation in Singapore. According to the MAS managing direction, 3Arrow's capital was not regulated under the country's Payment Service Act and had ceased to manage funds in Singapore. Prior to report, it failed to meet margin calls. Menon also pushed back against association with Terraform Labs and Luna Foundation, Quad, the platform behind Terra USD, formerly UST, pegging from the US dollar, saying the firms were not licensed or regulated by MSI, nor have they applied for any license or such exemption for holding any license. Crypto lending firm Float, which sponsored withdrawals, trading, and deposit in June, has applied for a license to operate in Singapore but was operating on Keiser along with Terra and Luna amid the market downturn. The crypto industry globally is still evolving and regulation is still catching up with industry trend, said Menon. Singapore is often seen as being at the forefront with a clear licensing and regulator framework, but the focus of crypto regulation to that in Singapore, as well as in most major jurisdictions, has been on containing money laundering and terrorist financing risks. The MAS managing direction added that the financial watchdog would be consulting on Mr. Ahmed at the regulator framework covering consumer protection, market conduct, and reserve backing for stablecoins in the next few months. In June, Singapore Senior Minister and MAS Chairman Shanmugaratnam headed a rules limiting crypto investment for retail traders and the use of leverage for crypto transactions. Massive vintage officer Sobnedu Monhaniti said in June that the regulator would be brutal and unrelentingly hard on crypto firms exhibiting bad behavior. The financial watchdog later reprimanded 3AC for providing false information, alleging the company has assets under management in excess of the permitted amount under regulator guidelines. MAS and relevant government agencies will take firm enforcement action if any entity is found to be conducting illegal activities or performing regulated activity without a license, said Menon. Singapore financial stock prices spiked again.
So thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.